Okay, so you could be burned badly by a weak acid, but you could drink a strong acid. Because there's a second factor. There's strong versus weak. This is, if you've zoned out, zone in for the next minute. Ready? Now. Strong just means it separates. I could put a tiny little drop of hydrochloric acid. In fact, what we used to do was I used to work at a pool over there at Hood before they put that stupid thing over the top. It was actually an open air, summer pool. And one of the things they made us do was we would take, and you would have to go around the pool deck and spray the edge right where the water met the air with muriatic acid to keep the algae down. All right? And muriatic acid is just hydrochloric acid. We were dumping hydrochloric acid into the pool. But it didn't do us any harm. Why? I'll give you another example. True story. All right? Used to live down in St. Thomas, down the Virgin Islands, right? There was the tourist beaches, and then there were like the local beaches, because a lot of the tourists couldn't stand the locals and vice versa. But anyhow, so we would go to this beach, and there would be this mom, and the mom would see that the baby had done the duty in the diaper. So she would take the baby into the water, take the baby, slosh him around, take the diaper off, slosh the diaper around in the ocean, put the diaper back on the baby, put the baby back on the beach. Would you swim in that water now? Sure you would. Why? Little bit of dookie, whole lot of ocean. Now, change the scenario. You go home, you go back to your hotel room after you've been in the beach, you plop down in your tub and you're soaking, getting all nice and warm, and mama comes in, she got the baby again, and the baby done another dookie. So she brings him, puts him into the tub with you, washes off the diaper in the tub with you, puts the diaper back on the baby, goes out of the bathroom.
That's mean. That's mean.
No, standard cloth diaper, dear. Cloth diapers, you can, no big deal. Would you still want to be in the tub?
No.
No, why? Because now it's concentrated. Now we got dookie in large quantity in a small area. Yeah. All right? But you're swimming with fish poop all the time, so that shouldn't bother you all that much. All right? So anyhow, that's the other thing. Concentrated versus dilute. I could use muriatic acid in the swimming pool because it was a huge pool. It gets diluted down to almost nothing. It didn't change the pH of the pool by anything substantial. On the other hand, if I gave you concentrated acetic acid to drink, you would burn your throat and do serious damage, all the way down and all the way back up when you puked. Okay? So there's strong, separates completely. Weak, doesn't separate much. Concentrated for dilute can be either one of these. You could have a dilute weak acid. You could have a dilute strong acid. You could have a concentrated weak acid. You could have a concentrated strong acid. Which of those four would be the worst? Concentrated strong. If say you were going to torture me and you said I absolutely have to stick my hand either in concentrated, 10 molar hydrobromic acid or 10 molar acetic acid, I'm taking that one. Because most of the H's that I put in are still hooked to the acetate on it. So they wouldn't do me much harm. See it? Okay.